In this video, we will discuss about typecasting in Java. So what is typecasting? It is the process of converting value of one data type to another. There are different types of typecasting in Java. We will discuss about two most important types, widening casting and narrow casting. So these two types happen among primitive data types. Okay, widening casting happens automatically. So this happens when converting a smaller type to a larger type. So for example, byte to short, char to int, or integer to long, or long to double, things like that. Okay, while narrowing casting has to be done manually. So this is actually converting a larger data type to a smaller one. Say for example, double to float, or float to integer. Now let us try to understand this with the help of an example. Take a look at widening casting. So widening casting happens automatically. So let's take a look at this program. We have a class here and the main method. Here we have an integer variable var int equals 5. Now we are creating a double variable var double, and we are assigning the value of integer variable to double. So the types are different here. This is a var int is an integer and var double is double. So a casting happens here. So this casting is widening casting. So since this happens automatically, you don't need to do anything. You can just assign the value, and the value will be converted. Integer value will be converted to double. So when you print the values of these two variables, you can get it like when you print the value of integer variable var int, it will output 5. Whereas when you print var double, you will get 5.0 because it's been converted to double value. Now let us understand narrowing casting. So this must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value, because it doesn't happen automatically. So in this example, we have a main method in a class. Here we have a double variable var double, and there is a value assigned 6.78. Well, now let's create a integer variable var int, and let us assign the value of var double to this integer variable. So if we need to assign value from a larger type to a smaller type, you need to specify the type within parentheses. So explicitly we are specifying int here. So the value of double will be converted to integer. So definitely integer variable cannot hold the fractional values. The fractional part will be truncated. So here if you print the values of both the variables, when you print the double var double variable, definitely it will print 6.78, but in the case of var int, the fractional part will be truncated and it will print 6. Okay, so hope that you got an idea about typecasting in Java. This is a very important concept, and we discussed about widening casting and narrowing casting, and then we will see with some other video in future. Till then, bye.